Know that no miracle is beyond my reach, my dear child. I will heal the wounds in your heart. Please be patient. Voices and dark shadows may appear, but your blessing will arrive at the appropriate moment and be the result of my love for you. Your ears are telling you that you're not deserving of healing, but I am. When you roam, I walk with you and keep a watch on you. Yours to love. When you remain silent, I will speak in a calm, quiet voice. Close, and I was your healer when your body got sick. Now I'm requesting that you hate the gossipers want you to fall, so they make you look away from the liars. All I want is to see myself mirrored in you, so please speak to anybody who comes your way. Damnation attempting to steal your faith, ignore their lies and continue to pray. I'm listening as you are paying attention to me right now, and I'm coming to you with monetary and spiritual blessings. The decision is yours to make. You will decide whether to accept my words as true or not, whether to live a life shaped by me or by the lie of when the bad one appears. Avoid stepping in the existing ruts and continue walking while clutching my hand. Believe what I say, and tell your neighbors to talk to me them of a God ready to receive them and share my forgiving nature with the entire world. And amazingly, the response to their prayers. There exist individuals leading lives of empty plenty with everything, but since I'm not there, go talk to them and share your Father in heaven, the deity who spared you from harm and kept you safe from the destroyer. I am the shepherd, and those who yearn to find me are my lost sheep. I will gather them and give them my embrace because you are my channel for bringing benefits through the power and love of my message. With my hand and my word, you will go clear your planet of horrors. Repel evil forces, I'll perform miracles on you. Don't be alarmed, I bless you together. Don't be scared, just have faith in me. Powerful force at your side in the event that you are jobless. Trust that no matter what appears unattainable, but I'll make sure you have what you need and that my table is well occupied. You won't have to beg for the food that is legally yours, since I will always be your father taking care of my house. Children, all you have to do to get what you need is kneel down and ask your Father. I will. I am your God of miracles, and I will attract my people to me. I will show you the road and fill your belly. Unfathomable ways, just have faith in me and my visions, and you'll always be in my thoughts and heart. Open your heart to me. Straightforward and unwavering in your faith, since the gifts I possess come from sources you can't even begin to understand. Brothers, refrain from criticizing or denouncing others, because I love someone who is clear-headed, mentally prepared, and filled with a desire to serve, love, and believe in what I reveal. I see these qualities in you today. Please open yourself to me completely and you can fully trust me if you allow my presence to infiltrate and transform your thoughts. With all of your being, I am aware of every idea you have, and I hope nothing is kept from me. Deep inside your heart, I understand your goals and I'll accomplish them. I have pardoned you for your prior transgressions. Give up your bad habits and adopt new ones. Life with me, I have purified and sanctified you. All that was old has become new. Let go of old mistakes are pardoned. Do not allow the past to haunt you. Haunt you or tamper with my blessings, the world can still call out your previous errors, but I'm calling you to a new beginning because your heart has changed. You may experience hardships and storms along the journey in the newness of your heart, but I am with you and my power will prevail. Shall be with you, no harm shall come to you, and no disease shall approach your home. The Lord who created heaven and earth has blessed you, and since you live under my shadow, there is nothing to be afraid of. Dread itself, do not dread anything in the world, for I am aware of my thoughts toward you. Please listen to what I have to say, do not ignore me or let this opportunity pass you by. I have come to bring you hope and a future, not just evil. Heart is ripped with love for you, and even though the path may be challenging at times, I have come today to speak love to your tired heart. Times, may your labor, if done according to my wishes, become a part of my hallowed instance. It might be harder for you to grow spiritually the more committed you are to me, but similar to prodigal son went back to his father, similarly, you will come back to my never-ending love. Thoughts and methods surpass yours, you will triumph in every hardship even if you go through tribulations as I refine your prayers prevent you from turning away from me, and your perseverance demonstrates the complete faith I have in you. Strength, pray in this manner, and I will give you the fortitude to bear everything. Do not be afraid of evil's might, for I am stronger than your adversaries. Don't worry about your kids, I'll see them through any darkness, and don't be afraid of dying, because I only ask that you do well and for you to be with me through any situation, knowing that your current pain will eventually bring you joy. Your adversaries won't hate you because you always remember who's on your side, me. May your delight never cease asking me for anything. The ruler and parent of heaven, and you are my kid. I will always be by your side. You follow me as your guide and partner so that you might advance in righteousness. I am aware of your intentions, your secrets, and all you withhold from me. I'm aware of everything you say. Pray for your reward. I'll give you the skills and songs of faith. Move nicely and gently rather than quickly. The prudent are wiser than the cautious. Nothing is written in stone. I will guide you in the direction of the wind that lies ahead. Having moved on from me, now is the time to come back. Pay attention, and I'll educate you when you hear me out. Don't worry, everything will work out. There are many wonderful and priceless promises and challenges ahead of you. Trust me, every difficulty is a fantastic blessing. Let me help you rethink and approach problems in a fresh way. You won't be afraid. People will recognize that you are a new creation and a receptacle for my power. Your adversaries will see that their schemes to harm you are foiled because I am a God changer, my love and care. Circumstances is how I will always be with you, my kid. I won't ever abandon you. Look ahead rather than back, hold on to what I'm providing you, and concentrate on the positive. Walk steadily, for your reward is approaching. I have recreated you, and you will never go back to your previous behaviors are behind you. You have been purified and redeemed. You are not. Close your eyes and experience how my spirit walks with you alone. If you ever lose that feeling, if doubt or fear try, hold on tight and feel it even more. To trip you if you think the hurdles will prevent you from continuing or reaching the goal. Too significant or you don't think you deserve it, then take a moment to open your eyes and consider the wins that have accomplished all possible. They have defeated adversaries while being bruised and bloodied, and slumbering triumphant over adversity that endures and thrives to work wonders for you. Relive that emotion and remember that you are powerful and capable of overcoming any challenge. Attain the pinnacle at whatever cost. You will overcome every circumstance with love, not rage, but a divine reaction. Never straying from the faith I taught you, pushing into me in the middle of the storm. Declare my word and share the miracles I've worked in your life with others so they will understand that I am the God of gradual love. I forgive my children for never leaving or abandoning them, in a kind rage. I love you more than words can say, and I am steadfast through the storm just like I was with you. My love for you grows every day. Unimaginable day, grab the opportunity, go now, and don't turn around, I'm with you now. It's your time, believe me, therefore always prepare to receive what you wish for tomorrow. Put up your hands and accept your blessing. I understand the daily stresses that sap your energy. Financial, emotional, and familial issues that you may consider to be too big or difficult be difficult for you, but I'll always be here to stay faithfully by your side. Always completely comprehend my intentions, and occasionally your choices, clouded by shifting emotions, are not in line with. I am aware of all your circumstances and have taught you that you are safe since I knitted you in your mother's womb. If you have faith in me, you can overcome anything I am facing right here in the palm of my hand. You won't burn in the fire because I'm with you, and you won't be destroyed by storms because I'll strengthen and empower you. You'll feel renewed and energized. The impossible is made feasible. Possible, be ready for a wonderful shift that is about to happen. Pay attention, and soon you couldn't have predicted I would give up my power. Believe me, things will become better for you. Utterly do not give up, for everything I tell you today will come to pass. The time to put your faith in me, believe what I say, and allow my presence to reveal you. I hear your cries, giving grace and power to rejuvenate every aspect of your existence. And I'm moving to let the light shine through your doubts and gloom over your emotional and financial suffering. Tears do not withhold themselves from me, they hydrate the seeds of your harvest. Harvest season is upon us, and my blessing will transform your narrative. You will not go through these difficult times once more, and lift your head to let go of your restrictions. Despite the presence of your enemy, your feast is ready and you will be graced with your cup of wealth will surpass the financial setbacks that kept you awake at night. Repaired your watch and saw blessings pour into your life. Wealth will adore you in every way, material, emotional, spiritual, and flowing beautiful ways into your life and the lives of those around you. But never forget, my chosen child, you have my blessing, which goes beyond material abundance. Is a happy existence in all your hands create, and my love will envelop you. Keep your heart humble and let my justice guard you like armor. Kindly assist those in need to remain in my affection, because I want you to have financial more than everything. I want to put you close to my heart and achieve financial restoration. My biggest wish for you is not just money but a full spiritual restoration that will allow you to love and grow closer to me. After each victory, have faith in my word of honor, because I am dependable and honest. If you trust and adore me, my power and affection will know no bounds. Take this promise, for it is yours, earth, heaven, and everything. Let this serve as a sign at your gates, stating in my name that your debts will receive payment for your labor. You are my child, and I adore you. Attention on me, I want you to live in grace and prosperity, and anything you bind on earth will also be bound in heaven. Don't be tempted by this world and its ways, instead, cling to my word and promises. Truth that I am your Father, and I won't ever let you go, so you can walk with assurance, will regain financial security, pay off debt, and be stress-free financially. Joy will fade and be replaced by tears of sorrow, and daily peace will establish a unity of purpose in your home. Living there, trust me, this is real. If you can only imagine, I'm calling you, my child, so you may hear what I have to say. My heart goes out to you, knowing that you need light in your life and that I want to save you from the darkness. Your heart and sense your suffering, I perceive your worries and hear your soul's cries of frustration. The good news is that there's never for a split second, I wasn't comfortable with you. You make me feel alive and my love for you is unwavering. In fact, the days of hopelessness and failure were drawing nearer than before, but only when I promised to never abandon you, even in your darkest moments. Do you feel defeated and turn to the land of solace outside of yourself? Unsettled hours allow me to give you my whole heart. I am fully aware of your bravery and knowledge. And stupidity, failure, success, errors, and triumphs, even when you feel it and end up unsure of where to go or what to do, consider this: I shall always love you completely and I will never stop loving you. I'm here for you, waiting for you to get back to me. I promise to forgive you completely and you will discover the wonders and joys of the heart in me. Come close to me and listen to what I have to say so that you might learn from me. Provide you from the well of wisdom and bliss, draw near to me, and share in the wealth of eternity, and bestow upon you the cross of Christ. Therefore if you do this I will give you the abundance of my Spirit. Will accept you, and you'll discover insight and enormous information treasures, even secret treasures. According to your endeavors you will be acknowledged in the eternal mansions of celestial glory of the everlasting tree of life, whose fruit my children will always receive. Never forget that I adore you. Unreservedly, regardless of your actions or identity, I'm here to embrace and welcome you. When you're ready, grab my hand and let me give you a hug to help calm me. Your heart scars are at my feet, I'll take them shortly and they'll be gone. Can transform your loss into hope and your pain into strength. Take a leap of faith and place your worries on me, and I'll strengthen your fortitude to withstand the grief and hopelessness that are descending on you. Place your hand in mine, and my light will disperse the. You don't need to be afraid of the shadows taking over your life, since I'll be your safe haven from stress and anxiety. My love is more than enough for you, companion in loneliness, your solace in suffering. Stay in my heart, I will be yours more than anything else you can ever find. When evil comes knocking, I'll give you a boost and be your rock at home. Bravery, don't be scared, my light and love will heal you and your family. Be your source of joy, and my love will abound in grace and hope in your heart.